When you walk in the room, hold your head up high. Don't be afraid to reach to the sky. Look in the mirror, you should be proud. It's your time to shine, now say it loud. Just use your imagination, it'll make you grow. Who cares about life, some kids that you don't know? I'm gonna give you some free advice. It's so good I know I'll say it twice. You're fabulous, just the way you are. You're fabulous, like a shining star. Just take a moment to look around. Put your phone down, turn off the sound. Don't live your life just through a screen. The real one's out there to be seen.